Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today I've got 3 really great ways that you can earn money using Amazon, and I can guarantee you probably haven't heard of 2 of them. The last one we'll cover is pretty well known and most people know about it. It's not Amazon Associates though. So before we move on to today's video, this is my blog and my name is Mark, so welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're on here, then I go and share videos daily about earning online and working from home. And on the screen now, this is one of my blogs called Not Taught at School, and you can see on here I pretty much blog and also do videos on YouTube about earning money online. So if you just scroll up here, you can see on my blog there's plenty of articles on here about making money online, and on the right hand side, here we go, on the right hand side here I've got a members area, or a vault if you like, and this is jam-packed full of lots and lots of freebies on here. You can see we've got ebooks, guides, courses and more. So all you do is put in your name, put in your email, and you'll get instant access to the members area, and you can go and download all of the stuff that's in there for free. So let's jump into today's video. So today we'll start with the first site here. So this is the first site here. This is Amazon Jobs. Now believe it or not, Amazon actually offer virtual jobs in virtual locations. And I'll drop a link to this website below for you. Now if I just scroll down here on the left hand side, you can see these are all the different types of jobs that are available, and you can also go through and look at all of the different cities, and these obviously you've got all the different categories here. So if I just click on one, I'm just going to click on this one here, Great Britain, because that's where I am. It brings up all of the jobs within your location, and you can see on here for Great Britain there's currently 20 different jobs. So it's kind of like a job board. You go through, you have a look at these different jobs on here, and then you can apply for them how you would normally apply for a job. And you can see on here these are all virtual locations. So you can go through, have a read of these descriptions. It tells you exactly what it is, what qualifications you need to do that, but then you can apply for that. And there's lots and lots of these jobs, and it's updated pretty regularly by Amazon. Sorry, excuse me. So this here is pretty good, and also what I like about it is up here on the location you can just go ahead and type in your specific location, and then you can also search for keywords or job titles. But to be honest with you, if you just scroll down here on the left hand side and you click on your country here, and then you can filter it down from there, because to be fair you could search for this via a keyword, but I mean a lot of these you maybe wouldn't come across these just using your keyword. So go on here, pick your category, pick your location, and just go through and have a look at them, and you can see it's updated pretty regularly. There's lots and lots on here, and then you can go ahead and speak to them on the usual social platforms. So this here is pretty cool, virtual jobs with Amazon. So I'll drop a link to this one below for you. The next one we're going to go ahead and have a look at. Now this is pretty new. This is the Amazon Handmade Marketplace, and it looks very similar to Etsy. So let's just have a look at the home page here. So this is the Amazon homemade page. Sorry, handmade page. And if we scroll down here, you can see all the different categories. We've got jewellery, home and kitchen, handbags, and then it goes down to collections we love. So very similar to Etsy. If you've not seen Etsy before, it's basically a site like eBay and Amazon, but it's products which are handmade, so custom made orders, and then they're just putting them up for sale on here. Now, what I like about this is because it's pretty still new. If we go back over to this tab here, it tells you exactly what it is. So Handmade is a store on Amazon for artisans to sell their unique handcrafted goods. Now, unlike when you're normally selling on Amazon, on this one there are 0 fees, so you don't need to go and pay any of the usual fees that you'd have to pay to Amazon as a seller on Amazon. They do take their 15% fee for obviously payment, processing, marketing, support, protection, etc. But then you don't need to go and do any of the usual upfront cost. You can see here they have waived the professional account monthly fee, and then you only pay Amazon whenever you make a sale. So it's pretty cool. So you can put up your listings on here, and then you only need to worry about paying when anything sells. And then they've got all these other different categories on here about how you can get set up. You can also use fulfillment by Amazon. So if you don't know what that means, is instead of you having to go and do the deliveries and the orders yourself, you ship in your products to Amazon and then they send them on your behalf. And there's all this down here, so it goes through all this. There's a little video down here that you can watch, and then it talks you through the steps. So the 4 steps to getting started with here, so register to sell, create your profile, set up your shop, and then start selling. So that is this one. And what I like about this as well is on the top right hand side here you see this flag here. If you click on here, these are the marketplaces that are currently available. So you've got Canada, Mexico, Germany, Italy, Spain, France and the UK. So these are the 7 different countries where this is currently up and running and available. So I'll drop a link to this one before. So this is Amazon Handmade. So again, pretty new this one. It is pretty under the radar and it's quite good. So I'll drop a link over to that one for you. And it's the same as any selling platform. You've got all your different categories on the left hand side. And then once you've selected your category, uploaded your images, uploaded your description and prices, that is pretty much it. Amazon will go ahead and show that on the marketplace for you. So that is the Amazon Handmade. And then the last one I'll show you in today's video is Merch by Amazon. Now if you don't know what Merch by Amazon is, it's similar to Teespring and Gearbubble and other sites out there. So basically how it works, you have a design and you upload your artwork, and then your artwork you can decide what that artwork is going to be printed on. So you can see on here, you can have it printed on t-shirts, you can have it printed on hoodies, cups, mugs, all sorts of different things that you can go ahead and have that listed on. So once you've uploaded your artwork and decided what you're going to put that on, then you set a list price, and then Amazon go ahead and they print that once it's sold for you, and then they cover the shipping and all the rest of it. So if we just scroll down the page here, there's a lot of frequently asked questions on here, and you can find all of this on the page for you. The biggest one that I wanted to look at was this royalty calculation. So if I click on here, these are the royalties. So you earn a royalty on every product sold. So you will not earn the full amount that you're listing it for on Amazon. You only earn a royalty, which to be fair, it's not bad because all you're doing really is uploading your image and then deciding what you're going to put it on. So here we got some stuff here. So we've got a standard t-shirt example. So if this is the standard price, $15.99, this is how much you will expect to earn for every t-shirt that sells with your design on. You've then got the prices in the UK. Scroll down here, got Germany, and then if we scroll, that was just t-shirts. It gives you some more examples on here. So we've got t-shirts. So you can see here we've got hoodies. So you can see that the royalty that you make on hoodies is actually more than t-shirts. And then you've got sweatshirts, and then you've got pocket socks, and look, these are all different examples. Then you've got additional costs down here. So this here is Amazon merch. Scroll back over here, here's the frequently asked questions. So I'll drop links to all of these different things below for you. But that is pretty much it for today's video. 3 different ways that you can earn money online using Amazon. I really like this one here. I really like this virtual locations one, because you can pretty much work from anywhere in the world with this, because obviously it's virtual, so you can work from home. And I also do quite like this new one, this new handmade site. Just do make sure that you are clicking on the flag up here and changing it to your country. So that is enough for today's video. I hope you found value from that. If you have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and leave a comment below. So thank you again for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.